Understanding the Factor Theorem, a simplified guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into an intriguing mathematical concept called the Factor Theorem. This theorem is a fundamental idea in algebra, and understanding it can really help in solving polynomial equations. Let's break it down together in a simple and easy-to-understand way. The factor theorem is a key principle in algebra, especially when dealing with polynomials. At its core, it states that a polynomial f x has a factor x minus c if and only if f c equals 0 f c equals 0 f c equals 0. In simpler terms, if you plug in a number for x and the polynomial equals 0, then x minus that number x minus that number is a factor of the polynomial. It's a powerful tool for breaking down complex equations into more manageable parts. Before we delve deeper, let's understand what a polynomial is. A polynomial is a mathematical expression that can have constants, variables, and exponents, which are combined using addition, subtraction, multiplication, and non-negative integer exponents. For example, x2 minus 5x plus 6x caret 2 to 5x plus 6 by 2 minus 5x plus 6 is a polynomial. Recognizing polynomials is the first step in applying the factor theorem. Now, let's see the factor theorem in action. Suppose we have the polynomial x2 minus 5x plus 6x caret 2 to 5x plus 6 by 2 minus 5x plus 6. We want to find its factors. According to the factor theorem, we look for values of x that make the polynomial equal to 0. In this case, x equals 2x equals 2x equals 2 and x equals 3x equals 3x equals 3 work because 2 minus 5, 2, plus 6 equals 0, 2, caret 2 to 5, 2, plus 6 equals 0, 2, 2 minus 5, 2, plus 6 equals 0 and 3, 2 minus 5, 3, plus 6 equals 0, 3, caret 2 to 5, 3, plus 6 equals 0, 3, 2 minus 5, 3, plus 6 equals 0. So, x minus 2, x2, x minus 2, and x minus 3, x3, x minus 3, are factors of the polynomial. Let's try a few examples together. We'll take different polynomials and apply the factor theorem to find their factors. This hands-on approach will help solidify your understanding. We'll start with simple polynomials and gradually move to more complex ones. Don't worry, I'll guide you through each step. And that's the factor theorem for you. It's a fantastic tool in algebra that simplifies solving polynomial equations. Remember, practice is key to mastering this concept. I hope this video has made the factor theorem clearer and more approachable. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.